Don't you hate it when a drop of grease lands on your shirt while you are cooking or eating? Grease stains can look small at first, but they can be stubborn once the oil settles into the fabric. Some cleaning experts suggest keeping a piece of plain white chalk in the kitchen so it is ready when an oil stain happens. It is a simple item that can help treat the stain before you put the clothing in the wash. This video will show you step by step how to use plain white chalk on grease stains, why it may help, and a few simple tips for better results. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Materials you will need: plain white chalk. Use regular white chalk without added colors, glitter, wax, or other coatings. Plain white chalk is the best choice because colored chalk may leave pigment behind on the fabric. Why chalk may help remove grease from clothes. Chalk has a dry, powdery texture that can absorb some of the oil sitting on the surface of the fabric. Rubbing it directly onto a fresh grease stain gives the chalk a chance to soak up part of the mess before washing. This trick works best when the stain is still fresh. The sooner you treat the grease, the less time it has to spread deeper into the fabric. Chalk should be used as a pre-treatment rather than a replacement for laundry detergent. After the chalk has absorbed some of the oil, the clothing still needs to be washed according to its care label. How to use chalk on grease stains. This simple method works best when you treat the stain before washing the clothing. Follow these steps to help absorb the oil and make the stain easier to clean. Step 1. Rub chalk onto the grease stain. Rub a piece of plain white chalk directly over the grease stain. Cover the full stained area with a thick layer so the chalk can begin absorbing the oil. Step 2. Let the chalk sit. Let the chalk sit. Leave the chalk on the stain for about 10 to 15 minutes so it can absorb some of the oil. A heavier stain may need a little more time. Step 3. Brush away the chalk. Use a clean tissue, paper towel, or soft cloth to gently wipe away the chalk and absorbed oil. Avoid rubbing too hard, especially on delicate fabric. Step 4. Wash and check the clean fabric. Wash the clothing according to its care label, then check the stained area once it is clean. If any grease remains, repeat the chalk treatment before drying the item. Tips for using chalk on grease-stained clothes. If the stain is fresh and has excess oil on the surface, gently blot it with a tissue, paper towel, or clean cloth before applying the chalk. Do not rub, since this may spread the grease. Colored chalk may leave pigment behind on the fabric. Fresh grease stains are usually easier to remove than stains that have already been washed or dried. This is especially helpful for dark, delicate, or special care fabrics. Some clothing may need hand washing or professional cleaning. Do not place the item in the dryer until the grease stain is gone. Apply more chalk and wash the clothing again if some oil remains. Try this simple chalk hack for grease stains on clothes. Plain white chalk can be a simple way to help absorb fresh grease before washing your clothes. It is easy to use, inexpensive, and helpful to keep nearby for small cooking or oil stains. For the best results, treat the stain quickly, use plain white chalk, and check the fabric before placing it in the dryer. You may need to repeat the process if some grease remains. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description